Alright. Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Yeah. Okay. Shut up. Hello. Hi, Cookie DTI. Let me just pull up the chat on my phone. Yeah, hello. Hello. Stream's a bit delayed. Cause, yeah. No, you aren't. Yes, I am. Oh, we're just gonna warm up. Oh, wait, I forgot. I get my daily test and then we're gonna actually. Oh, wow, I got a key. Oh wow, I got that. So, right. Go to Unity Hub. I'm gonna do a poll. What should I add? Give some suggestions, pretty please. Please, Pete, I need this. Come on. What should I add? Wait, hold on, I know, wait, no, I actually don't know. Oh wait, yes I do. Alright. Cosmetics or what? I wonder, what should I add? Cosmetics or, what's one thing that I need to add? We need cosmetics, we also need, Can one of you guys give a suggestion, please? Oh, you're watching now, okay. I don't know what I should watch. Not watch. I don't know what I should add. I know I should probably add cosmetics, but like, what else? Oh wait, no, I know. Parkour. Alright, start poll. Cosmetics or parkour. While we're doing that, I'm going to do this. While we're doing that, I'm gonna do this. Alright, never mind. I literally just can't play this. Gotta wait for it to load. Cookies. Alright, so right now we have one vote, which is parkour. like a riddle. Just look at below conical depression. Do 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 do. Let's say I got one. Alright, done. Literally the number 1 level. Okay, wow. I voted for parkour. I think you're the only person here. We need to get the stream out to more people. Let's just go here, here, here. No, I'm just gonna send it to everyone. Boom. Send it in here. Send it in here. Send it in Sunhat's announcements, because how do I spell? There we go. Follow. I need to change it to. It's not even. Yes, publish. Or hopefully we should get some more people joining soon. But there's 3 people. Let's check. Well, as you can see, it just says me and you. So yeah, that's great. I don't care about TM Pro. I meant not TM Pro, but XR. So, it seems like the only vote is parkour, but we kind of need more votes, more than 1 person. So, yeah. Oopsies. So we have this, right? If we look at the collider on this. Wait, no, not this. We need the vent. If we look at the collider on the vent. Never mind, I fixed it. I thought it. Okay, never mind. I fixed it anyway, so. Where's it? Resources. Hold on, VR. Player. Just scale it up a little bit. Not the actual player, then. This. There we go. We should be good. Hopefully that doesn't break anything. YouTube emoji, that's fire emoji. I'm gonna give these bananas colliders because I feel like it. And then boom. Oh wait, they already have a mesh collider, never mind. Can I see the convex? This also has a mesh collider. All of them have colliders, which is good. I'm gonna give Wilbur here a collider. I'm gonna just remove this. Oh wow, it's party fall. I party fall. What is mesh collider? Here. Where is a collider? Is there no collider for Mr. Wilbur? Mesh. Wilbur. Scene. Maybe in scene. No, there's nothing. Okay. Maybe it provides context. Okay, this just doesn't work, I guess. Wilbur shall not have a collider. He's just gonna. This looks too much like a game. well, basically right. We have these 3 bananas right here, right? Look at that compared to this. Because these are going to be moving. I feel like I should make this a bit brighter. Where's like global volume? Right here. Oh, right here, okay. Just make the... Okay, that does nothing. That also does nothing. Oh wait, that'll work. That just makes it more contrast. And then saturation, I mean, we all know what that does. I don't want saturation, I just want... Oh yeah, that looks about good, right? Let me turn this off. Could be too bright. I mean, in the big 25 though. Check up on the poll. Alright, so it's parkour is still in the lead, but one person voted cosmetics. So I don't know why I don't have you modded. Let me just sure. There you go. Let me close that. There we go. Okay. I'm just gonna wait I'm gonna put a timer for 10 minutes. And whenever the poll is by the end of the 10 minutes, I'm gonna add whatever it is. So I'll just there you go. Meet and greet for this dude right here. Anyone want to do meet and greet for this guy? Oh, he's all the way up there. Let me get a role play. There we go. Well, I need to rename sample singing. Okay, you know what, it's fine. Just gonna spin, I guess. It feels like there's something stuck in my throat. At a rock climb? True. But should I make it where you can actually like grab onto it, or you just have to like bounce up? I don't even think I have Blender. Oh, I do have Blender on here. I low-key forgot how to use Blender. So, ooh, uh-oh. I don't care. So we have this cube right here. I hate to break it to you, but everything is just gonna delete. Now we need, add mesh cube. So we have the cube, right? You can grab onto it. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm just... I know what I should actually import. Do I have the legendary? The man, the myth. The man, the myth, the legend. Scroll all the way down. Do I have Do I have Fred? I might have Fred. Not friend, Fred. No, I don't have Fred. Okay, that sucks. No, but I'm just gonna... Okay, here. It was the very first thing I ever posted in this little thing, which I use for, like, everything, so just... Wait, no, it's not it. Yeah, this. And then go back to here. We need this. And then... Oh, wait, I clicked on save and save it. I clicked on copy image instead of save image. Uh-oh. Also need the box ad, the best box ad of all time. Golden sun hat. Get that, sure. Top hat, yeah, sure. Already got these Wilburs. Already have this. I need these for the Hall of Fame though, so have that. We need this. No. 52. Gotta make this 53. Then this is 54. Just my cookie clicker data. This is beautiful. This Sunhat trailer. We'll talk about those. I'm scared to know what this is, but you know it's fine.
I'm poor.
Party fall PV. Cat on camera. Oh no! Cat on camera, guys. So scary. Make sure to like and subscribe. Subscribe to Mason RLA.
Okay, we got the sounds ready. 3, 2, 1.
It's got 3 minutes, but I don't think it's gonna change. We got a whole 3 votes. That's insane. So we're just gonna import all those. Drag these into materials. Where's Mr. Plow? Here's Mr. Plow. We need this. And all. We're gonna make a new folder called Special Materials. Folder. We're gonna drag these 4 into Special Materials. Boom. There we go. Yeah, Fred is a W. Look at him, bro. He's the very first emoji in the Sunhat Silliness Discord server as well. We got the box hat, which, as you can tell, it's box. It's got just a regular top hat. For just regularness, because it's regular. We got the golden sun hat right here. It's not really gold, more just bright freaking mustard. Mustard! Yellow. What'd you say, wow, with that many dots? We got a minute left, come on. Come on, please. Please, Pete, I need this. My mom is kinda homeless. It's a change log. Wow. That's Pete. Less than a minute left. Oh my goodness. Oh my golly, Willie. 6 watching. Yeah. Cookie DTI, are you still there? Please. I'm turning this down a little bit, I can't lie. It's a little bit too much. There we go. Oh. Well, it's actually a nice sound effect instead. I was expecting like the iPhone ringtone, but no, it was. Oh my gosh, dude! I don't know if that's my Adam's apple, or if there's just a chip that's stuck in my throat. Oh my gosh. Alright, so the winner is obviously parkour. So I guess we're gonna add parkour. So the first thing is I'm gonna make a parkour map. Should it be like a race, or should I just put it on the forest map? I don't know. No, I should make a script for like racing. Like, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I see something silly. Alright, let's just get Text Pro. Alright. So we have this, right? It's gonna, let's just give it a sample actually. So basically, new script. Oh, we're gonna call it, what the heck are these emojis? Those are peak emojis. We're gonna call it Cookie DTI, because why not? So go into the Cookie DTI script, right? I don't care. Alright, so using TM Pro, right? So we're gonna be using TM Pro, and then you gotta get go down here. Yeah. There. But then we're gonna need a public string, and we're gonna call it, what should we call it? We should call it we're just gonna call it, what should we call the string? What should it be named? I'm just gonna call it first name. We're also gonna get a public string last name. So if we go over to the right, we're gonna get text mesh pro dot text equals $ quotes. We're gonna make it say the best dress to impress YouTuber. Yeah, YouTuber is. So we're gonna make it first name. Oh wait, no, I didn't. I need to capitalize the N. There. And then a boom. Alright, now it's good, right? Right. So I have this, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Unity. We have this cookie DTI script. Get this text, and then we're gonna drag on the cookie DTI script. Alright, so the first name, we're gonna name it, what the freak? Cookie DTI. Now if we play the game, watch this. This is gonna be absolute cinema, bro. Oh, because I have it on void update. Okay, yeah, I see. A little bit acoustic, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna copy this. Cut actually. Boom, and then we're just gonna boom. There we go. Now it should work. I'll save. Alright, now it should work. Wait. Okay, maybe. Do I need to convert it to a string? Okay, well, just pretend it says cookie DTIs, but that is, yes, I want to delete that, and also delete this text, because we don't need it. Alright, now we're good. Yeah, and this is obviously gone, so goodbye. Just pretend that never happened. So parkour, what should we do for parkour? Oh, I know. So basically, there's gonna be, I have no clue what to do. Hold up a BRB. Well, while you BRB, I'm gonna make some parkour. So get post-process file. No. Wind zone? Yo, what? Where's the wind zone? What is there? Wait, gizmos. Okay, I could see it with gizmos. Oh, directional, spherical. Spherical wind zone. Wait, that's actually peak. Can I like adjust it? I guess I can. Wait, yes I can. I can just make the radius smaller. Radius, but the magnitude, just make it like, yeah, that should be good. Main, yeah, that's good. Frequency, yeah, that's pretty good, I guess. And I'm just gonna make it where you just literally can't touch sphere in there, so I'm gonna get the sphere, right? Gonna bring it into this one zone. Like, haha, you can't touch me. Alright, so I'm gonna add on. I mean, it's a sphere as well, so I'm gonna give it, this. Rotate it up a little bit. No, I don't like that texture. Maybe give it this. The monkey face. Yeah. There we go, okay. It's gonna say, haha, you can't get me. Just kinda drag that under there. Uh, 3D object. Takes much more. Rotate that to say. Bring it above the head. That. Like that. Well, I just want to make it smaller actually. There. Where just say like, haha, you can't get me. Drag it there. Drag it like the low tipper fade me, and now it's still massive. First we got this. If you try to touch the sphere, you can't. Wait, let me just try. Test it out. Stop it. I'm learning too much. Actually, never mind. I feel undereducated. Okay. Also, I'm gonna give you moderator because, why not? There. So we have where is the player at? Okay, you're right there. Gorilla player. I'm gonna drag you over here. Right, and then you just can't get him, like it's impossible. If you try to get him, you just can't. He's too good. He's just built different. See that sphere? You can't collide with that. Maybe you can actually. Maybe I underestimated it. Maybe I actually underestimated the freaking wind. Okay, never mind. No, I didn't. I don't know how it actually works. I'll be okay. I feel undereducated. So we're gonna add parkour. Wait, Can, if you're still in chat, let's check if he's still in chat. No, he's not, but whatever. If you're still here, should I add cosmetics or parkour? Just gonna copy paste this rule board. Parkour. I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to Can Games, but Yeah, that's okay. I'm pretty sure I still have this script that lets you organize it. Script. Read. CS. This is, we don't want that. Cloning anti-kick. Variations of sounds. Purchase. Already got all that. Disable. Got that. Fabric, login. Already have all those. I don't have the link. I do not have the link script. Okay, well. We'll add that later. Because I actually don't know how to code that. I'm just gonna get a YouTube I'm pretty sure I'm in a Discord server where they have that link script, so just like it should be this one. Civil. No name detector. Where's third joiner? Why am I deafened? What? Yeah, I was about to say. Okay. Why do you need a trampoline script? Oh. All you need to do is just add a physics material. You don't need a script, bro. Debug to console. Linking? That's cool, I guess. Where are all of them from a likely spammer? Name PC. Easy inputs, yes. There. Easy inputs. So I can add vibrations and then head sounds. And I know I already have the hit sounds. Holy crap, there are 5 people watching. That is a lot of people watching, but whenever I check, there's like no one watching, so. Wait, hold on, cancel, because I don't want to import it to the scripts, I just want to import it to here, to assets. I'll import. While that's importing, I'm trying to find the, rainbow text, bro. Like, why do you need rainbow text? Wait, how easy is this code? Renderer, wow. Renderer, that's peak. Private void, why do you want a private void? Better finger animations. You don't need a script. You don't need all this script, you just need freaking... All you need for that is this. This is all you need, a built-in Unity thing. You don't need a script for all of that, bro. Monkey Stealer? What is Monkey Stealer? Wait, okay. Oh, it's a kid still, okay. Movement swapper. What is movement swapper? Name filter. I don't care what you put. Well, actually, yeah, I do, but networking. Bro. Only a height checker. Prefab spawner. Wait, okay. Hand tag, yeah. Public string hand tag equals hand tag. Public game object prefill to spawn. Transform spawn point. Okay. Lucy. I don't want Lucy. I want to open. If you click a button, I want you to open the link in the Discord. Enable and disable. Need this. Flashlight list. What do you mean list? What list, bro? about Fizzy, not you. Stable map loaders, player counter, player list, clicker counter. That is. Do you see how small this? Oh, okay. Well, I was gonna say, do you see how small the script is, but never mind. No name saver, FPS flight. Okay. Fun facts. This is. Did you know that everyone knows this, bro? Everyone knows this, bro. Sweet random fun fact. Wi-Fi checker. Wait. Alright, computer tabs. Room code display. I don't use codes. Here it is. Open link URL. This is what I was looking for. Wait. Okay, so it's literally just application.open URL and then the URL. Okay, well that was a lot simpler than I thought. Hi. I also want to put in vibrations and hit sounds, but I already have those scripts, so we got open URL. Should now. Wait. Alright, yeah, vibration and hit sounds. There we go. All of those. All three of those. Hit sounds. What I'm looking for is I'm just gonna have like 3 buttons maybe at most, like the Discord, my YouTube channel, and maybe the develops channel or something. But the develops channel, we don't talk about the develops channel, okay? We don't talk about that. That one is forbidden. No, it's not. It's just it hasn't been heard from since the Second World War. So, yeah. Wait, I should make this a stick figure. I should make this like Wilbur's cousin or something. But we're gonna name him Dilber. No, Dilber sucks, bro. Dilber's like, no, instead of Wilbur, it should be Milbur. Milbur. Wait, Milbur's actually a fire name though. Alright, this guy is Wilbur's cousin, named Milbur, okay? This is Milbur. Just gonna be like that, there we go. This is Milbur. Top 10 top 10 people of all time right here. Right here, man. So this is beautiful. Okay, also it said it said right here, learning C# scripts. Yeah, I'm gonna be learning that. How am I gonna learn it? Where is it? Right here. Yippee! I do not care. Do I look like an adult with severe plaque psoriasis? No.
Hey everyone, it's
It's peak.
Vegetarian Zombie again, and we are moving into the real meaty part of this course. We're diving into objects. We'll spend this part of the course getting up to speed with objects, what they are, how to define them, and how to use them in code. Before we start, my name is Vegetarian Zombie. In this channel, you can find lots of videos on game development, game tutorials, and the occasional playthrough. I also write articles on Jesner.com, and I'm pretty active on Blue Sky and Mastodon.social. If you find these videos useful, please consider subscribing to the channel, as it goes a long way to help me out. Object-oriented programming may sound complex or even mystical, but really it's just a way to organize your code. Instead of writing our code in one long list of instructions, we organize our code into objects. These objects all interact with each other that produces the logic in our games. They allow us to have a higher level view of our code and what it is doing. Now there are lots of different object types in C#, but the most important one is known as the class. This is such a weird name, but once you think about it, it makes complete sense. So, to really nerd out here, let's turn to Dungeons & Dragons and video games. In D&D, players create characters based on archetypes. You have fighters, wizards, barbarians, and more. This archetype defines what a player can do. A fighter hits things with weapons. A wizard casts spells. A barbarian gets angry, then hits things, and so on. When you create a character, you pick one of these archetypes, otherwise known as, you guessed it, a class. You use this class to create your character. When you finish, you may turn to your buddy and ask, what class did you pick? And when they say, Ranger, you all laugh when they're not looking. The same goes for something like Overwatch. Overwatch has heroes. Each hero is really a type of class. Moria does healing and damage. Junkrat tosses bombs. Farah flies and shoots missiles.
Okay, what are you on about? Just tell me the code.
When you pick a class, you aren't creating the definitive version of it. You are creating a unique instance. So classes are just templates, or cookie cutters. The class defines...
Wait, hold on, can we talk about this real quick? Can we, let me take a little screenshot, right? It's just... Can I zoom in? Wait, okay, wait, so I go here. Go to screenshots. If that says what I think it says, then that's peak.
is what the instance can do, and those instances are called objects. When we define a class, we define its state and behavior. State and behavior? What the heck is that? Okay, let's go back to D&D. Here we have a fighter class. The state consists of all the variables associated with it. Our fighter has strength, dexterity, constitution, intelligence, wisdom, and charisma. The fighter also has hit points, a name, an alignment, and lots of other bits of data. This is all known as state. Now what about behavior? That's when an object does something. For our fighter, one behavior is called attack. That may remove hit points from another character. The fighter can also push an enemy to knock them prone. They may also grapple an opponent as well to prevent them from moving, and so forth. So behavior is what that object can do. Okay, that's been a whole lot of theory. Let's put this to use. To get started, let's create a fresh Unity script.
Now, for some reason, it just doesn't work on here, so I have to go on. That's why I have test game oi baka. Well, what's on trigger enter? Hold on, I just want to find out what on trigger enter does. What does this do? When the collider enters a trigger. What? Set active. Okay, so basically, it's just called void on trigger enter. Whole class enable, so we need a class. Wait, no, that's that already comes with, that's a script. Public game object thing. Okay, so we got, that's method, I'm pretty sure. And then void. Collider other, where does it say collider other? If other dot tag equals hand tag, then thing does it. True. Let's see then. No. I didn't. Judge. Let's peek. Peek sentence right there, like ICL. I can't lie. Beat. Oh, get out. Alright, we're gonna create a C# script. It's coming. Oopsies. I clicked freaking insert and okay. I didn't want to be called new behavior scripts. Wait. Oh, okay.
We'll be using this script for the remainder of the course. You should have plenty of experience now creating scripts, attaching them to game objects, and configuring them. We'll call this script myObjects. Open it up in the editor. Update it to the following.
The text mesh pro thing. Wow. Get rid of void update. You put public void show message. Let me guess. I knew it.
Save and head back to Unity.
That's so insane. Well, hold on. Let me just make a new script. I'm just gonna call it experiments and stuff. What? Mental fixes. No. Wait, I gotta go back. I want to see how to do the header. I am not very good at C#. Okay, you put everything inside the. Okay, you put everything inside the brackets, and then use parentheses to show the message. All right. Let me go back here. Bracket. Header. And then parentheses, quotes. Maybe not quotes, I don't know. Maybe we do use quotes. I'm just gonna use quotes, and then if it doesn't work, then we're just gonna, I love GD. Cologne. I don't know. What's the error? Okay, so just get rid of that, then are we good? Do we get rid of the quotes? Does that work? No, that just doesn't work. The name, okay, well, we We do need to have quotes in. Quote. Quote. Boom. Field declarations. The Declaration of the Independence? What? You know, let me just go back, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, yeah, we got that right. Mono behavior pun callbacks? But what about just like fun facts or something? Okay, we have, I just want to try to use a silly little header. This script was made by Monkey. Please keep this in. I'll try to use header. So we have the header. I feel acoustic right now, like am I doing something wrong? Am I supposed to be using Tia Pro? Like what? Maybe field? I don't know. Field. Oh, that's just straight up doesn't work. But then this doesn't work. Okay, well, I guess we're just not gonna be using a header. Goodbye. I'm just gonna get rid of both of these. And then void on trigger. Enter. Wait, no, I was supposed to put it outside of this, right? No, I'm not. Uh-oh. Well, that works, I guess. Public game object. Wait, no. Silly dude. There. Private void on trigger enter. Glider other. You make it where if you touch. We're just gonna name it Death Cube actually. Tag. If I have no clue what I'm doing. Wait, okay. other dot tag equals hand tags. Wait, no, it's not gonna be death cube. It's gonna be other dot tag as I keep forgetting other dot tag equals hand tag. I think that's it. Oopsies. Hand tag. So basically what this means, right? If hand tag collides with no one is in chat. Literally no one. I'm just gonna make it funny cube instead of death cube. Should we make it true or false? This is literally just copying the disable script though, so I don't want it to do that. So if hand tag collides with whatever this is, then get the gorilla rig to explode. Yeah, I think that'd be a good idea. Then application.quit, yo, wait, application.quit would be such a fire thing, but I don't know if you need photon for that or not. Maybe. Where's kick? They need photon.pod. Devia. Oh wait, no, I don't think we need a photon view. We just need application.quit. That'd be peak. Quit. Boom. Beautiful. Well, I'm gonna rename it to Death Cube. Death Cube. No, it's not gonna be Death Cube, it's gonna be Death Object. Boom, it's gonna be the death object. You can set it to whatever you want. Really. So basically what this does, if you touch whatever you put this on, then you're just gonna get kicked. I think that's pretty funny. So close it out. Where is it? Experiments and stuff. Experiments and stuff. Where are you? Here you are. So basically what this does is if you collide with whatever object you put this on. Wait, hold on. The straight up public class death object. Yeah, we don't need this. It's because we never use game object, right? Yeah, we just never use it, so just get rid of it. And I don't think it needs to be private void. It just needs to be void. Boom. Hi, Cookie VR. I don't know if I already said that, but not Cookie VR, Cookie DTI. So we're just gonna like kill you. Wait, what if I put it on this? Wait, I want to look at it from this perspective. There we go. Just make it. You know, just never touch this. Otherwise, you're gonna get application.quitted, so yeah, just, you know, I'm just gonna make it, are there like particles? I think there might be particles. Effects, yeah. Particle system, yes. Where is the particle system? Where are the particles? Where are they? Oh my gosh. Holy. I just, you know, I think it'd be pretty good if I could like, there they are. What? I want to move it. Wait. Okay, move it, yeah. Boom. So it's basically just like the particle editor in Geometry Dash, right? It should be. Wait, you could change, I think you could change the texture. That's actually really funny. Change the particles shape. Can I change the texture? Apparently I can't. That's fine. Shape. Collision? Why would I want collision, bro? No. Actually, no, I'm just gonna drag it under. Wait, what is this? Alright, this is rule board 1. Again. Kill cube. Oh my god, I'm so used to writing freaking variables that I just named it. Okay. Well, drag the particle system under kill cube. Drag kill cube over here. I don't know why the particles are just static. Or are they static? Excuse me. Show only selected? No. Really fast. Holy crap. That's really fast. But it just stops whenever I don't have it selected. Playback time. Particles. I don't think I can change it. Stimulate layers. Everything? Cool. That's good. I don't know what stimulate layers is supposed to mean. Hello? What is stimulate? Preview all loop and all the game chosen. Okay, yeah. That's good. if you, I haven't officially dragged the script onto it, but I imagine if Ninja got a little different feed. We're gonna drag over here so you can see the particles. That's pretty. Now if you, I honestly didn't know that you could actually zoom in Unity. Playback speed, you know, it's a bit silly, but show bounds? No. Wait. Nah. Okay, we're just gonna make it regular. Yeah. Show only selected. Restimulate. Speed range. Particles 50. I can't change the amount of particles. All fooey, man. I want to be able to change the texture. Color over lifetime. What does that do? I don't know. Triggers, lights, trails. Okay, I didn't want that. Renderer. Yes, I want. Okay. Mission. Well, velocity over lifetime. I don't know what that does. Wait, this could maybe work. Wait, okay, looking at it now, it actually, I'm just gonna make it that. Start color. Wait, maybe I can change it on here. Okay, rigid body. Why would I want a rigid body? Start color. Wait, gradient. Sure, why not? Okay, maybe I don't want it to be a gradient. No, I want it to be green actually, because it's like toxic. No, red because lava. It's just like straight up all lava. You don't want to touch that. So save there. I got that. We're gonna make this age trigger, and then we're gonna drag experiments and stuff onto it. I think we need to change it from. I'm gonna change the texture from wood to something else, cause no, maybe it should be like this. This. No, that's the same thing of a trampoline. This. Or I could just do this. Wait. Okay, yeah, it's static. Okay. Cherry bush. Oh, wait, what if it's a blueberry bush? No. No, actually, just straight up no. But just make this a bit brighter, so I can like actually, see. W bush right here. Minecraft all bush. I can't lie that. It's a Minecraft all bush. I just want to do a little like thingy real quick, right? Just a little experiment. Alright, so drag this up. I just want to change it to be this. Materials, get rid of that. Materials in the big 25, like, I'm kidding. Why can I not drag this? Okay. Why is it white? Layer default. Tag on tagged. I'm just gonna get like a fully black one. Create material. Just go black. Boom. Change it. This to that. Yeah, metallic. Yes, receive shadows. Right, smoothness all the way down. I think. Metallic alpha. Okay, that's kind of crazy. So, right, this, not the particle system, but little extra pill cube. Oh wait, I just completely copied and pasted the whole thing. Wait, let me get rid of this. Drag this under kill cube as well. Actually, just and also. Wait, alright, kill cube. Get rid of this. This is not the kill cube. This is cube dispenser. Crazy name. I know. It's insane. This is like innovative technology you've ever seen. A bush. Look up. Okay, there. Kind of comes from here and also comes from there. So comes from there and comes from there. There you go. That's pretty good. Wait, you know what would make it even better? If I made it from a sphere. This has a box collider. So just get rid of the box collider. We get a sphere collider. So we technically just changed a cube to a sphere and like, well, you can still see that. Let me just get rid of that. Okay, we just changed a cube from a sphere just by replacing this and this. That's kind of crazy. Like, you know what? No, I actually don't want to be a cube. I want it to be a sphere. So there we go. And obviously this this kill cube has that and experiments. You don't want to know what the experiment does. It's nothing. I'm just gonna go ahead and save again. I'm gonna just add one more thing onto it. Text message. What? I don't want it to be that. That is not what I wanted. I swear, like, why is... Wait. Okay, there we go. It's gonna be a big text. Do not touch this cube. Actually, you know what? To make it even better, I'm gonna have caution tape on it, like around it. I just heard some lightning. Well, it wasn't lightning, it was thunder. But I just heard some thunder, so, uh-oh. That's not a good sign. We'll be fine, though. Anton? Yo, yeah, I'm gonna use Anson, bro. The meme font. Do not touch this cube. What? This is peak, man. Do not touch this cube, yeah. I'm gonna make it like Sunhat officials are currently trying to investigate this cube. So do not touch it. If you touch it, you are going to die, so don't touch it. That could be taken out of context. Low-key forgot I was live. Oopsies. That's my bad. Hi, hello. Call me in a second. Hi, the cube of death and despair has arrived. Okay, well, hi once again. How about this? I'll call you after the stream, okay? I'll call you after the stream. Cube of death and despair. Oh, wow. That's absolute cinema. Just gonna make some, just gonna make some caution tape real quick because I want to. What is going on with freaking stuttering, bro? I'm just gonna make it plain. Okay, I mean, this might be super lazy, but what if I just get it off of freaking Sketchfab? Downloadable. And then we're gonna make it. Well, wait, what did I just type? Low-key forgot. Oh, caution tape. What's that? Okay, well, that's super lazy. I mean, so am I, but yeah. Okay. Yeah. Police line do not cross. Not police, it's like sign. Please, Pete, I need this. Make it FBX. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. So we have that. Import new asset. Wait, no, I gotta extract it. On desktop. That's not what I meant to do. Downloads. Extract all. Extract. And go here. Source. And textures. Wait, what if I just put this into Blender? I'm gonna import something into Blender and then just remove everything else. Yeah. So we're just gonna remove all this. I'm not Russian, I promise. All this, and then import FBX downloads. Not any of these. Why am I speaking Russian all of a sudden, bro? This is very concerning. Documents. They're hiding the documents. Here it is, caution tapes, and then source, like caution tapes. Right, import FBX. Right, so we have all this. Oh, we also want to. Okay, we'll also want to import. mods, caution tapes, textures. Well, we import the textures as well. So we drag this into Blender. Boom. It's not what I meant. Okay. Material 01. Are you sure about that? It just crashed. Alright, that's okay. Okay, well that wasn't very nice of you, Blender, but or just put some materials and then put this put this in just right here. We'll have the caution tapes. We'll also want to drag on this for them. Warning. Just gonna drag it onto arrows. Oh wait, we don't need the 0.001. Never mind. Yes, we do. Yeah, we actually do. Okay, caution. I'm just gonna drag on everything. Like, why can't I drag on this? Caution 001. I'm just gonna select all this. Drag caution tapes. Okay, well. Oh, I get danger. No, I didn't. Okay. Danger. Danger 001. Do not cross. Do not cross zero. Oh, yeah, just do not cross 001. Keep out 001. Police line. Well, we don't need police lines, so yeah. Police line 001. Stripes 001. I got one. There we go. Alright, so we got all the caution tapes. Let me just like drag them over here. Okay, so what's some that we can get rid of? Because we really only need 4, maybe 5. Well, we don't need police line, because it's not the police, it's Sunhat officials. Probably don't need arrows. We don't need keep out. I think that should be good. So good. Drag this over here. Just boom. Still here? Wow. That's absolute peak. Do not cross. We need to get do not cross. I'm sorry if this is pretty boring. Yeah. They don't have colliders, I need to add colliders. just gonna add a box collider. I don't think I need a mesh collider. No, mesh collider is gonna be more accurate, so I'm just gonna add on a mesh collider. I love how these are floating in the air. It makes it so much better. Okay, wait, let me prefab unpack completely there. So do not cross O1 and warning O1. I'm just gonna be super lazy and just do this. Oh wait, that's literally the same. Okay, never mind. That's crosshairs 01 and warning 0. Okay, so we don't need these. We don't need these. So get rid of that. Just use to Control D. What I meant to do was do this. Boom. And then just I do need to fix this one though, so just drag it in. Why did I just get severe deja vu? Oh my gosh. That was pretty massive. I can't lie. That was some massive deja vu. We're just gonna Control D. And it's all the way over there, but it moves right here, so I'm just gonna do that. Oh, you want to see something crazy? Rotate. Wait, Control Y. There we go. All right, that should be good. Hello, Firefox. Hello. Do not touch this cube, as you can see, because if you touch the cube, you're gonna die. What do you do in this game? Alright, so basically, right, we got this, and if you touch it, then you die. We got this, which you can worship. Tons of trampolines everywhere, which you can bounce on. If you try to get the suit, you're just gonna get flown back by his immense force. We have a slide here. We have some bananas. You can report people. We actually care about reports, right? Then you can even vote in the Discord server to see new maps every single month. So by July, we're gonna have a new map, and then August, we're gonna have 3 maps. And I'll probably just add like more maps. And this is not the only way to get maps. We can just add maps. So by August, there's probably gonna be like 5 maps. And you can put in your name. You could read these rules, right? There's more coming soon. I literally just started this game. I used to like have a lot more stuff. I'll show you. I made it in like November 2023, but as you can see, right here. This is what it used to be, by the way. You could fly through 0 gravity, right? This was peak. You could equip cosmetics. You can go in the sport robe too. You can get free mod by going down that hole. This was OG though. Alright. You can go. There was a Hall of Fame. No other Gorilla Tech fan game had this, but Sunhat runners and outside Silliness. So I'm gonna add it back with these beautiful, absolutely majestic people. Do we have the quote from Wilbur? Right? Got the quote from Wilbur over here. This was ask for mod because obviously you shouldn't go asking for mod. And there's messages saying like yada yada yada. There's a mirror over there too. Guess the pin. You could have guessed the pin, dude. Like there's so much. Randomized thing. So yeah, we got that. And have fun in the forest. But plot twist, right? Wait. Free mod go down the hole. What are they doing? Yeah, so basically, yeah, that was the old trailer. You want to see the old trailer? The first ever trailer? This was peak. It's like absolute cinema. Alright, wait. Can I be admin in the game? Well, first off, you need to join the Discord server, submit a mod application, and then you're gonna be mod. And if I trust you enough, then I can maybe upgrade you to admin. So, we just need to earn your trust first and, like, see what you can do with the mod application, and then, yeah. Now, what's the game? The game is called Sunhat Silliness. I'll show you. Meta Horizon. Well, it's called Sunhat Runners. It's called Sunhat Runners, but it's real. So, it's Sunhat Runners. But I basically rebranded it to Sunhat Silliness. So let me just. Right here. Here it is. Look at this. I just showed you that. Jake Vera Studios refund policy. Bro, what's a refund policy? What? Oh, okay. And this is the best privacy policy of all time. I mean, look at all these great reviews, man. So like, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 4 star, 5 star. Like there's 68% 5-star reviews, 13% 4 stars, right? Like this is crazy. Very massive. I know it was made November 6th, 2022, so yeah. Let me get it. Yeah. Hi again. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Discord server, over here. So get a cube. I'm just gonna get the Discord logo, actually. Just like, join our Discord. And then, like, subscribe. Rotate that. Boom. I'm gonna go ahead and drag this on here. No, I'm gonna get the. Well, I need the Discord logo. Discord logo. There we go. No, I don't want to be transparent. I just. Is like a good one. Well, no, this speak. No. Okay, you know, we're just gonna scroll up actually. Oh my, I can't. Here, I don't want it to be round, I want it to be square. It's so close. I'm just gonna save it. Oh, what's up now? Oh, thanks. You're watching a movie? What movie are you watching? Oh, you gotta go? Okay. See ya. W for subscribing, though. Wait, since... I'm just gonna change it from this to sphere. Since it's just a sphere. So, select... Let me import new assets. Boom. Put it onto there. Rotate it. That looks... I'm not gonna lie, it looks, interesting. Let me drag it like that. It still looks kind of bulged, but who cares? Let me just try to change it a little bit. I feel as good as it was before. I don't know why. Nah. Offset. It just rotates it, I think. Boom. I'll check the streams later. Okay, see ya. I'm gonna put the is trigger, add component, what, it's a script, scripts, and we need, I don't know what it's called. I think it's called like open link or something. Dog's at my door. Look at my dog. Look at my dog. Okay. So, what is the script? Open URL. Alright, it's open URL. I thought it was open link. URL. Let's go to Discord. Open Discord in your browser. Let me invite people. An invite link. Never. Yeah, no limit. And generate a new link. Copy. Now we can go over here. Not Discord. Unity. Put in the link. Boom. Yeah, I need this trigger. Okay. There was a mosquito on my computer screen.
When you want to go? You want to get out?
I got that. I'm just gonna add a text that says, oh wait, I don't want it to be a cube. Oh, it still has a box collider, yeah. Sphere collider. Yeah, there we go. And sphere, yeah, sphere, okay. Discord. Sphere. project. Text message. Let me guess. It's gonna be in a crazy freaking thing. Can you add a sign that says Firefox was here? Yeah, sure. Why not? Why not? Let me just get finished adding this Discord thingy. I'm gonna make it center line. There we go. Materials. I'm just gonna drag this material. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't exactly work. It doesn't work like that. What would it be like? Oh. We're gonna add it. Text Mesh Pro. Could be really small, but better than nothing. I'll play the game after my movies. Yeah, I'll stay on stream though. All right. I'm gonna make this a bit smaller because I want to have for YouTube. Want to also search up YouTube logo. Oh my gosh, bro, I remember when this logo. This was peak. When was this ever the logo? Okay, this was never the logo. No, it's WebP. screenshot. Okay. It's literally YouTube logo PNG. Like. Just gonna boom and boom and boom and boom. Alright, now we should be good. Check mark. Not here, we gotta here. Import, new asset, pictures, screenshots, and it's right here. I'm gonna, what was it? Oh yeah, this. I keep doing that, dude, stop. I'm just gonna say join the court. I don't know why this isn't static. Yeah, why not? Yes, change children. Because it's technically not moving, right? Now I'm just gonna copy paste that. Wait, I'm gonna make this a bit smaller. I love how it says hour. It's just mine. Just put it in there. Boom. No, why is it not working? Why does this work but this one doesn't? Maybe it's because it's labeled. Let me rename it. No, okay. That doesn't work, I guess. Let me try it again. Let me just get this. Of course it's WebP. Why is everything WebP? Come on, just get this. Don't be WebP. Yes, okay. It's not WebP. I will stay on stream as long as possible. Do you play Roblox Grow Garden? I don't, but my sister does, but I don't think you really care about my sister, but yeah, I don't really play Roblox like at all. I do have an account, but I just like I never play. This should work. There we go. I just gotta fix the tiling and stuff. Materials. Oh wait, yeah. Here. Tiling, just make it like better. Wait, it's going backwards. Wait, I wanna make it bigger. Offset. This just rotates it. Okay, this just rotates it, so just no offset. And then also just make the Y a bit better. Wait. Just make it better. Words of all time, I can't lie. Okay, no, that just looks not very good. My YouTube. You my channel wow. Go here, 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 here. Wait, Geometry Dash Cologne is live streaming? Oh, it's Big Mac. I thought it was GG Cologne. I thought Colin was live streaming. It's just Big Mac. Let me bring this down. Okay, there we go. That's like basically perfect. Is doggy streaming projects
The cover of a bunch of contemporary romance novels, not me.
of all people?
Well, you're in the big leagues now.
Doggy pop-
How was your vacation, sir?
and he's like,
I needed one.
With your 10%
Wow. So I got these two. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. There we go. Okay, these caution tape thingies are a bit off center. Oh my gosh. Holy. Okay, guys, if the stream randomly ends, that is why. Oh my god. That was a pretty massive lightning strike, bro. But that was crazy. Just like the little tiger thing. Its volume wasn't very low. Pretty massive lightning is why. Holy. Okay, these caution tape thingies are a bit off-center. Oh my gosh. You can literally hear that in the stream. That's how loud it was. Okay, so we got that. Another boom. Okay, this is 3 big booms. We bring the boom. That's what we do. We bring the boom. We bring the boom to get out. Wait, hold on. I have an idea. There's gonna be a room that says, "When there's rain, there's thunder." I love that video. That's when there's rain, there's thunder. Did he have Taco Bell? I think brother had Taco Bell. Not TikTok. I despise TikTok. When there's rain, there's thunder.
When there's rain, there's thunder.
That's peak, man. Yeah, I'm gonna add that. Actually, I need to add that. If you try to ask for mud, just get hit with a hammer, and you're stuck in a room. It says, when there's rain, there's thunder. That would be absolutely majestic. This and so this is Sunhat Runners V3. The previous version was Sunhat Runners V2, and then the OG was Sunhat Runners V1. This and Sunhat Runners V2 look so similar. Like, I'll show you V2 like later, but this and V2, they look so similar. I think I actually have a picture, but I really don't feel like showing it, I'm gonna be honest, because I have to go to Discord again. No, I'll go ahead and show it. It's right here. This is what it looks like. Some parkour, then Wilbur, and then that thing. Those who know what that thing was, trust. Why do I keep getting deafened? Oh, because I keep doing Control D to duplicate stuff. Okay, that. And it says Bob, and it say Bob the Builder in there too. Bob the Builder. Can we fix it? Bob the Builder. Yes, we can. Get out. Wait, what if I make this spawn? Like, you know how there's, the one girl's like fan I forgot what it was called. It was like monkey something. But you spawn an event, and then you have to like crawl through the vent, and then you go into a water slide, and that's how you first start off. Yeah, heavy rain soon. Yeah, pretty heavy rain right now, and it's a little bit more than just heavy rain. Yeah, my dog is knocked out. He's laying on his back. All you just see is his belly. That's so cute. Firefox is here right here. Okay, I'm gonna put Microsoft Edge was here. Obviously. I love Microsoft Edge. Just kidding. No, I don't. I hate it. I hate Microsoft Edge. I think the Thunder and the Costco guys. Wait, put my PFP next to Firefox. What's there? Okay. Go to channel. Wait, what do you upload? Cooking with Child Eater. What is this game? Bid is not Tom Cruise. Cooking with Child Eater? Let's watch this.
Cooking with
Hello, everyone.
Eater. This is Child Eater. He's gonna cook some spaghetti with meatballs. Okay, show me the ingredients, please.
We got
What is this girl? It's like fan game called.
spaghetti.
Those eyes are peak. Those eyes are peak, but an image and new. What the? Wait, open image. Okay, I thought it was Slack. The forbidden app. An animal company. Okay. Or animal company. I've heard of that. There's some kid that always stalks me and apparently found out about my YouTube channel. And he's like,
hey, I think you should try Animal Company on your YouTube channel.
I'm like, how do you know about my YouTube channel? He was like,
I think you should upload an Animal Company video.
I'm like, get away from me. this peak right here. So under Firefox here, just actually 3D object, just a plane. Or a freaking snare drum in my room, and every time it like has some thunder, the snare drum, like the snares start. Why is it upside down? I don't know. And it's really dark too. It should be fine. Oh wait, we gotta make it static. That's why. Yeah, we gotta make that static. Yes, change children. Smoothness. Actually, no, just put it up. Advanced options. I don't know what that does, so I'm just gonna keep it at 0. Alright, there we go. Me playing now, I guess. Yeah, you're an airplane. Normally the thunder would be on the left, now it was on the right. I'm just gonna have the chat right here. Wait, no, you know what I should do? I should just pop out the chat. Pop out chat, there we go. Might as well keep that right here. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Get the chat. Bring it down. Like that. That's some loud thunder. You can actually hear it. That's kind of crazy. I don't like how it does it. Stop it. That some. I'll save. I already saved down why I did that. I'll just check on it like that. It's so dark though. Why is it dark? Maybe we need to make smooth 0. Metallic map. Oh, that makes it. Base map. Red. No. Metallic. Normal map. What do any of these mean? A mission? Baked. No, we don't want any. A mission. Mask. Why would I want a mask? Oh, okay. Well. Okay, I'm gonna rename this guy. I'm gonna rename him from Milbert to Gilbert. This guy's name is now Gilbert. So I have a Wilbur and then we have a Gilbert. Isn't that insane? Of that. I was gonna add something, but I forgot, so I'm just gonna do this until we hit the wall. I think it's a bit more than partly cloudy, but whatever you say, so. Whatever you say, man. I'm very tired. What was I about to do? fox with a rock in its mouth, and its name will be Gob. No. No. I mean, maybe. But I think we should only have Wilbur and then his cousin. Oopsies. Wilbur and then his cousin Gilbert. And then I swear it's, oh, I remember what I was about to add. I remember. So you oh my gosh, I can't remember it. Oh, okay. You click on a button and then you teleport into mod room or whatever. That should be good. Another thing I forgot to add the freaking mesh colliders on these right here, so. Gotta add mesh collider. Boom. Oh, I'm just gonna prolotarize like caution tapes. I'm just gonna all these, I'm gonna drag it out. Caution tapes is just an empty thing, so I can delete it, right? Yeah. So there's all these there. Things so caution tapes is getting deleted. Alright. Oh my gosh. What is happening to ASMR? Is this the redo? This is V3. V1, V2, V3. I'm trying to add a mesh collider on these. Let me get rid of it and then add it back on. Well, I meant to. I think I need to put all of them on individually. There we go. Holy. Okay, wait. Let me try putting it on. Not regularly. Okay, never mind. Regularly, genuinely. I used to not be able to say. I used to not be able to say genuinely, but now I can. I genuinely love making Sunhat items. ASMR, yeah. Freaking thunder and clicking ASMR. Not gonna lie, whenever I go to sleep, I'll just put this stream on, like the stream replay, and then just fall asleep. Just the clicking and then me talking. It's me yapping about the thunder and then the caution tapes. That would be peak. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Alright, now I can test if the queue of death actually works. Scroll player, we're just gonna drag you over here. I'm sorry, but we have to do this. Oh wait, and get left-hand controller. Just I can't. Okay, I don't know why I can kind of go through it. Just pretend that the application quitted. Trust. Alright, so pretend that. Oh, hello. Hi, Cookie BTI again. Is it thundering over where you're at too? Cause it's thundering like crazy over here. Oh, now you can hear the rain. I don't know why it was only thunder and then no rain, but all right. Just gonna take a little like 10-minute break, maybe just put some GD. Oh my gosh, I hate that V-Wave, dude. Loud thunder. Do I spy? Okay. It's right here. There we go. Hold on, my fingers are steady. The rain is very loud. My leg hurts, dude. Oh my gosh, it feels like. Oh my gosh. Of course. That's my favorite demon. That's cool. Yeah, slaughterhouse. How is skeletal shenanigans immediately the most loved? Where did that come? It wasn't in Nintendo for like years, and then skeletal shenanigans are immediately more like. I never actually played skeletal shenanigans. I heard it's really good. I'm just gonna play like really hard 2.2 there's character mechanics and I'll give it a shot. Why not? There's slash and then slash inferno. Oh my gosh. Holy. That's pretty loud. I can't look. Oh, Jam Gauntlet Creative Contest. Yoreen and Airs. Inferno. Practice around skeletal shenanigans. Should I just end stream? No. Should I publish this version? No, I still gotta add a I'm gonna add a shop and parkour, and then I'll update it. But for now, I'm just gonna close it out and do sword jack that. I'm gonna do I'm gonna close this out and do test game oil back there. So I can learn C#. It's so I'm just gonna be watching a YouTube tutorial, following after him, and then like a challenge at the end, like, alright, let's try yourself. Where's it anyway? No, to school.
They call it.
Brother. My brother in Christ. It's June 20th. Barely by 5 minutes. It's June 20th. It is not time to it's late July.
From the text game object, remove the previous script. Then add the myObject script to it. Select the button game object.
Okay, slow down.
In the click event, add the text game object and select the show message method.
Wait, did he already? I got him. Create C# scripts. My objects. Did I already make this? I low-key don't know operators. Operators but not objects. So there we go. It's just I don't know. Using TM Pro. Private text. Pro TUI text Pro text Pro goes get the bonus TUI yeah. Get rid of this. Okay, well don't get rid of that. Get rid of this. And then replace it with public void show message. Boom. Boom. Alright there. Got that. Completing domain. Now get to the canvas. Move the loops. Get the button. Put that onto it. Drag this onto this. Drag this. Boom. Show message. There we go. Alright. Go on chat. I want to play the game with you though, but I can't right now. That sucks. Do you have like globe or something?
Nice work. We're going to create our very own class. We'll create a fighter class that will just contain a name and a strength attribute. Own class. We'll create a fighter class that will just contain a name and a strength attribute. First, let's create a new script and call it fighter.
I thought it'd be in my objects, but okay. Sure. Whatever you say, Mr. Man. Okay, that thunder is insane.
Open the script inside of Visual Studio. You'll see now when you create a new script, you're actually creating a new class. You'll also see this motto behavior here. You'll learn about this later. For now,
Okay.
select this class definition and delete it.
What?
Add the following.
What? That's insane. That's actually pretty clear.
Here we define an empty fighter class.
That's pretty crazy. I can't lie. You just delete the whole public class. That's pretty massive. If I do say so myself, that is pretty massive. You don't put parentheses, just put weird looking little curly braces. I clicked save all as save that, but it's fine, it's fine. We don't need Discord.
It does nothing. Remember,
We go back to delete.
Add the following. Here we defined an empty fighter class. It does nothing. Remember, classes must always be uppercased. This is a standard, and while it isn't enforced by the compiler, it's a pretty much universal standard. There are probably some niche edge cases where it makes sense to use a class lowercase, but starting out, you should always uppercase the class name. As for the public keyword, we are getting to that sooner than later. For now, we are just setting everything public. We need to add some state to it. Add the following. We've defined two variables.
Oopsies. Why are they uppercase? I don't like that. I don't like how they're uppercase.
Otherwise known as instance variables or class members. One is strength and the other is name.
What is haze? What do you mean haze? Okay, what?
By setting these public, any other code can access this state and change it. That's generally not a good idea. You'll learn why soon enough. Notice they are both uppercased. This is because they are public properties. Okay, let's make a couple of fighters. Switch over to my objects.
What if you can create your own website by saying,
I do not. I really do. Hello, cookie DTI.
this is what I want? With Wix, you can.
In show message, let's create a new Berserker fighter. As you know, we just defined a variable type. Let's define the rest. We use the new keyword followed by the class name.
My objects. Is it Berserker or Berserker? Why is it Berserker? Why is it Berserker instead of Berserker? I think you might have put Berserker. Hi. But alright.
This creates a new fighter object. Now, some of you may be scratching your head. Here we define a new fighter type variable, and then we create a new fighter object. That seems a little redundant, and you're right, it is redundant. You can actually skip defining types and let C# infer the type for you. For example, you can do this. Here C# realizes that 123 is an int, and movie is a string. The var keyword tells C# just to infer it. The reason I've avoided talking about var is because it's critical you understand types. So I wanted to get you in the habit of declaring your types. And while it does save time using var, I actually prefer to spell out my types, just for ease of understanding. So we will continue to do this. That said, var is just another tool in your toolbox. Use it wisely. Okay, delete all that. Now let's set up the name. We do this with the dot operator. You'll see lots of options. Objects can inherit code from other objects. You'll learn about this soon enough. Also, you can add additional code to objects by way of extensions. So your simple object has already acquired a lot of stuff without you having to do anything. Select the name property. Okay, set the name property to Conan. Now let's set the strength to 8.
Name equals Conan. Alright.
18.
Wait, hold on. I might know what to do. Alright. Berserker dot strength equals 18. Put fighter. It gets it from the other.
That's a much easier way to think about code, isn't it? Let's create another.
Dot weight. Fighter. Leader. Equals new fighter. Okay. Name equals. A rival word. Alright. Aragorn or something. Aragorn. It was Aragorn. Oh, I got it right. Yay.
Now we have
Strength equals 14. It's pulling these from this. Because this is a public class. And it's not on here, it's just a class. And then you can use this to do that.
have two fighters who are quite different from each other. Let's print their names to the screen.
/n. What does that do? Doesn't text message for now. Just put message. My name is Berserker name. That didn't work. Let's try this. Wait, no. $sign. You have to give it some money. See, now it works. Berserker name. And I have Berserker strength /n. Why n? I don't know. $sign, so you could make it. You can put these in there. $sign. I'm our leader dot name, and I have leader dot strength. Boom. Maybe you need to also add a space, or it might just go on two square lines. Do not know. I didn't text message dot text equals message. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know why the semicolon is all the way over there, but
Okay, a few things. Notice the \n. This is known as
Wait, backslash, not forward slash. There.
an escape character, and it adds a new line at the end of the statement.
Oh, that's a new line.
This isn't just C# specific, but you can use this in a lot of other things that prints text to the screen. For the challenge, you'll use \T to add tabs to your text. Now, you'll see us directly accessing the properties. Again, you normally wouldn't do this, but regardless, it makes the code easier to understand. Save the code, return back to Unity. Run the game.
Click the button, it's gonna say, my name is Aragorn, and I have, wait, my name is Conan, I got 18 strength. New line. I'm Aragorn, and I have 14 strength. That's what I was gonna say. Oh, Unity. Fire in the hill. Fire on the hill. Fire on the hill. Oopsies. Wait. Okay, there we go. That's good. Very good. Dude, all I did was remove a character, then add it back. How hard can it be? Alright. My name is Conan, I have 18 strength. I'm Aragorn, I have 14 strength. Wow.
Press the button, we get our message. Nice.
Hello.
Now we just dipped our toes into state.
Dipped our toes in the what? Dipped our toes in the steak for what?
We get our message. Nice. Now we just dipped our toes into state. What about behavior? We do this by way of methods. Methods are a way to run code on demand. Return back to Visual Studio Code and open up the Fighter script. Add the following code. Okay, it's always a bit freaky to see new code. That's okay. Just let the uncertainty pass over you.
Fighter. Public void speak. That is not what I meant to do. There you go.
You'll be writing this on your own in no time. First, you know the public keyword. It means anyone can access it. Next is void. This means nothing is being returned from this method. Finally, speak is the method name.
This may be the last ad you ever see. Because with the free AdBlock extension,
Again, capital method. Finally, void. First, you know the public keyword. It means anyone can access it. Next is void. This means nothing is being returned from this method. Finally, speak is the method name. Again, capitalization is important. In this case, it means that this is a public method. Now, you'll see parentheses, but you don't have to worry about this for now. And of course, everything goes in your braces. I'll be spending an entire episode reviewing methods, so don't feel like you need to understand everything. Now add the following.
Divic.glog. My name is this dot name, and I have this dot strength.
This makes our characters speak to the console. Okay, now jump back to my objects.
What is this? Like, literally, what is this thing? Log. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Is this name? And I have this much. Put that there. Boom, there we go.
Comment out the other code.
Oh. Okay. Just the message, right? Yeah, just message. So get message and there you go. Goodbye.
Add the following. Save and
Berserker. Speak. Boom. Yeah.
and switch back to Unity.
Is it just gonna say the same thing? I think it is. I think it's just gonna say the exact same thing. Oh well, it says it here. There's code, yeah. Well, what is this? What is the this keyword?
Run the game. Press the button. And look at that. We have our messages in the console. Okay, let's print it out on the screen. Switch back to Visual Studio Code and open fighter.cs. We actually want to get our character's speech on the screen. Add the following. In this case, we defined a method called getSpeech that returns
Public string get speech. You are my sunshine. My sunshine.
a string. We are getting an error because we signified that the method returns a string, but right now it returns nothing. Update it to the following.
Oh, it just says return.
Here we are.
Turn. All that. Copy. Paste. Boom. Wait. Alright, now we're good.
Returning a string with the return keyword. It's a useful keyword that we'll explore in a few episodes. Now we have duplication going on. This isn't a good habit to get into. If you're ever going to need to change this sentence, you now have to change it in 2 places. That's more things to keep track of. Let's update speak to the following.
Speak. Get speech.
The this keyword represents
billion.
Oh my gosh, I wanted to know this keyword, man. Sigh. Mr. Man, what? Well, I can't see because I have to wait on
Dollar brands, cutting edge innovations, the resources of a
the
I'm unable to grow a beard. I don't need a razor.
current object, so we can call methods on it.
This not get speech. Oh, okay. And then you put more parentheses. What? Well, there we go. Now we're good. Because it has to be exactly this. It can't just be that. All right. So, what do you say about that?
The this keyword represents the current object, so we can call methods on it.
Current object. Got you. Got you.
Just note, some people are religious about avoiding code duplication. As a beginner, you should avoid it, but I've seen people go to crazy lengths to avoid code duplication to the point that the solution was far worse than a few repeated statements. Now return to myobjects.cs and update it to the following.
Get speech. No. I just got this dot get. Berserker dot get speech, right? Dot get speech. Yes. I knew it. I'm so smart. I'm literally so smart. Like, you can't even name a smarter person than me. You literally can't. That's a lie. That you can name. I actually think about. string message. Get rid of that. I wanna. Okay. String message equals berserker dot get speech boom boom. How does that work? I don't know. I'm just gonna say message. Message plus equals leader dot get speech. Do. There. Alright, so text. Yeah.
Save and switch back to Unity. Run the game. At this time, we get our message on the screen.
Hey. Hooray.
Now, before we move on to the challenge, there's just one important thing to know about classes in Unity. We've been creating scripts and attaching them to game objects in Unity. We can't attach plain old classes to game objects. If you try, you'll get an error. This error tells us that the class must be a type of mono-behavior. A mono-behavior is a Unity-invented type. We'll cover what Unity is doing on the episode of Inheritance. Okay, so that was a lot, and don't expect yourself to understand it all, or in fact any of it. The big takeaway is you define your class as a template. In this class, you define state and behavior, and then you instance objects from those classes. We'll spend the rest of this course going over this. Okay, so now for your challenge. I want you to create a class called leaderboard entry. It should contain a score, which is an int, and initials, which is a string. In the myObject script, create an array that contains 3 leaderboard entries and print them on the screen. Use a loop to put together a message to print it out to the screen. As for the printing, use \T for tabs and \N for new lines. Pause the video and try it out.
Everyone said to go to a traditional university to get my master's in nursing, but I chose WGU.
Alright. I'll make a class called leaderboard entry. Create C# script. Call it leaderboard entry. Boom. Now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna get rid of literally everything. Wait. So public class leaderboard. Oopsies. Entry. No, we don't need that. Boom, there we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and comment all this. Actually, no, instead of commenting, I'm just gonna delete all that. We don't need it. Score. Initials. Oh, effectively. You capitalize it, okay, never mind. capitalize TS. Hello. What you doing? Wait, huh? When did you say that? I did not mean to close up the chat. There we go. I just need to look back on loops. I need to get refreshed on loops. For each, bro. We need for each, bro. Oh, oh. Create loop. Alright, so what does the loop do? The loop is through entries. Go to here. Or just go to here. Alright, so you loop through the entries. Wait. Do we need to use enumerators? I don't think so. We need to use a loop. You there? Yes, I'm there. I'm here. Hello. Hi. Hi, Skylar. Hi. Hi, Cookie. DTI. Can I just call you by your real name? Cause, yeah, no one else is watching. Can I just call you by your real name? Well, I think you should totally like up the stream. Totally. Like up stream. It's, as you see there, very sad, 0 likes. Oh, never mind, no, there's 2 likes. Never mind, my bad. Hi. Abstract classes, oh gosh. Polymorphism, oh wow. 2025, the big 25. That's kinda crazy. The big 25. Join the big 25. No, it does not mean to. It does not mean $25,000. It's the year. Flabbergasted, bro. Oh, okay. Alright. You only have 2 moves. IQ 1055. Oh, okay. Imagine not knowing C# in the big 25. What's the hashtag oop? Where's it say hashtag oop? What is hashtag oop, dude? What? Oh, object-oriented programming. Yeah, that makes sense. Squishy Man is streaming. Oh my gosh, he's 16 now. That's so crazy. Banners. Inaccurate. Ours. Oh my gosh, that's Alpine. No way. Tarquin Gaming. Oh yeah, I forgot he was doing Deathman. 1 Minute Animals. The only one I watched was a Dotson. Probably gonna be on one of the. Here it is.
Miniature dachshunds are a popular breed of dog originating from Germany during the 1700s, where they were bred to hunt badgers and other small animals in burrows. They're named after their long, stretched postman-like body, which is perfect for going down holes to flush out potential prey. Dachshunds come in 3 sizes: standard, miniature, and ultra miniature. The most popular type is the miniature, which stands about 20 centimeters tall. Miniature dachshunds have a short, smooth coat that is usually red-brown in color, and they're very intelligent, playful, and alert. They enjoy plenty of exercise and make great family pets. They're clever, active, and full of energy, but also love cuddling on your lap or under the blankets when it's time to relax. Miniature dachshunds have an average life expectancy of 12 to 13 years, so you know they'll be your lifelong best friend. Miniature.
Oh, that's peak. Animal, where they have joined. Alright, yeah, we'll see. Prior to your reply to comment. Bro, all they do is reply to your comment. That's great. 1 Minute Blender. In like a minute. Yeah, it's not really 1 minute anymore. I mean, it used to be 1 minute. Bro, all you do is just put a freaking 2 dots together and then we got much. Same for this. Just put 2 golf ball, bro. Nearly a minute. Okay, I mean basically. Create a human rig. Realistic looking egg. Just in like 1 minute. I'm gonna force that. 5 minutes. A little bit over 5 minutes. 1 plus 21 minutes. 42. In like 5 minutes. In less than 5 minutes. Definitely less than 5 minutes, I will not lie. 1 minute is crazy. Bowling ball and 1 plus 1. And Leonard Bro. And something like a minute. 1 minute. I'm pretty sure all you need is just snow, so. Juanito, oh, these are the worst braids of all time, man. 2 side G and D. Lobotomy patient, yeah, that's peak. Grandpa. Believe in the boom. I didn't know you made actual content. I thought just push the choice about like boom or doom. Or Rizzler edit?
Big Boom AJ, can you put your hand up for a Rizzler edit?
I'm not gonna put my hand up for a Rizzler edit.
Come on.
I can't put my hand up for a Rizzler edit.
Brett!
You're crazy if you think I'm gonna do it.
Big Justice?
Why would I? You know me as the Rizzler. I'm the Panther dressed in black. Once I give your girl the wrist face, there's no chance she's coming back. I hang with AJ and Big Justice. Bring the boom, you know it's on. We're like the 3 evolutions of Pokemon.
Big Boom AJ, can you put your hand up for a Rizzler edit?
I'm not gonna put my hand up for a Rizzler edit.
Come on.
I can't put my hand up for a Rizzler edit.
Brett!
You're crazy if you think I'm gonna do it.
Big Justice?
Why would I? You know me as the Rizzler. I'm the Panther dressed in black. Once I give your girl the wrist face, there's no chance she's coming back. I hang with AJ and Big Justice. Bring the boom, you know it's on. We're like the 3 evolutions of Pokemon.
Yo, Topper, Sean Does Magic said that.
We're at Nickelodeon Kids Choice Awards!
Let's see who's got the best. Boom! Starman and I've got the best. Boom! Boom! Boom!
Those are the worst booms of all time. I can't like. I can do better booms than freaking Darman.
Boom! And boom! Boom! Boom!
The only people I do were Preston and Darman.
Boom! We bring the boom, boom, boom!
Yo, QCP, put your hand up for a Lamar edit.
Hey.
We're opening up Labubu.
Okay, that's just straight up. That's just straight up brain rot. Well, you know your turn. Yeah, I know. I'm aware. I got a little bit sidetracked because I do not want to do TS, bro. I forgot everything, bro. I'm gonna give him. Yo, I'm gonna give him $500. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Real quick. I'm just adjust. Let me just do a little bit of just it's pretty easy to hold. Don't know if you've heard of it or not. Pretty sure like anyone can do it. because call me bro scholar answer. My phone is dead. My phone is dead.
How was your first attempt at making classes? I'm hoping it wasn't too hard. It's all about practicing, so if it was overwhelming, that's okay too. In time, it won't be. Okay, let's start by creating a new script. Let's call it leaderboard entry. Now let's open it up. Delete the current class. Add the following.
Alright, yeah, I did that. But then I just got stuck. Yeah, I did that, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, I did that. Oh wait, oh wait. Okay. I just misspelled it, but
Here we've defined two properties, the score and initials. Since they are public, they are uppercase. Now switch back to my objects. Comment out the existing code and show message. Now there are a couple ways to do this. First, we can create 3 variables for leaderboard entries. Then we'll set the properties.
what do you mean 1? What do you mean 1? What? Yeah. VZ, watch, it's gonna be VZ. No, I thought it was...
This approach is a little clunky. It would be nice to set these
You love our legendary subs, so you'll love our legendary new Doritos footlong nachos. Doritos and Subway.
values at the time of creation. Thankfully, you'll learn how to do this soon enough. Now let's add them to an array.
I just got stuck on the looping part in array. I just got stuck on looping and arrays because I forgot about those. I mean, I didn't forget, I just forgot how to do them because it's just so complicated.
Now to print them to the screen. For this, we'll use a for each loop. We start by defining an empty string for our message that will print on the screen. Next, we create a for each loop.
See, like, I forgot how to do it, bro. If I want to learn something, I need to ingrain it in my brain.
This is where we construct our message. Now, let's print it out. Take a moment and look at your code. Imagine telling yourself that you'd be writing something like this. Had you seen this code before starting this course, would you understand what it did? You've done an amazing job.
Low-key, I still don't understand. Like, the for each. I don't get that, bro. When are you gonna end the stream? Probably after this video.
It's just one foot after another. And just think, it's going to be just as amazing once you start making games. Switch back to Unity. Now let's do a little centering. Select your text and center align it. Play the game. And we get our leaderboard. Old school style. Nice work.
Oh, actually, no, I'm gonna keep the stream up for a little longer. Let's just close that out, close that out, close that out. What should we do? I feel like we should just do some rip-off GeoGuessr, because I don't want to pay. It's not pirating. It's not GeoGuessr technically. It's the same concept. It's just like it's not GeoGuessr. It's not like, oh, free GeoGuessr. No, it's not that. It's World Guesser. It's a completely different thing. Like, not even related to GeoGuessr. So yeah, there you go. Is that something? Does that say something? This is obviously probably Spanish, I would assume. Caxias, Mexico? No, because it says MA. I'm not calling that WhatsApp. This looks Central. What thing has the 99 whatever it's called, little phone number, area code, whatever. Wait. I wanna go this way. I wanna go this way. What happened to this? They just removed that. I guess we'll see what's said on here, but okay. But it's still on here. Alright. All I saw was family. This is probably like for medicine or something. Maybe antidepressants. Not too sure. Wait, Instagram, bro. I'm not going on Instagram. I am sorry, but when the video played over your voice, I meant when. What do you mean? Garagem. What is that? I don't know. Is this like a jail or something? What is this, bro? Like, this is, okay, this is obviously Spanish writing. Is this a church? Looks like Jesus. Maybe this is Adam and Eve. Or maybe it's Marion. Or we got the other dude. Tim. Smads. Caxius. Dude, like, where is this, bro? Is this in, like, maybe it's in somewhere here. It could be here. But, like, Argentina or something. Eliminate Guyana and Suriname because I think it's English and, like, Dutch or something like that. What does it say? All of them are phone numbers. I'm on a website. Like, bro, what if I don't have? Wait, I think that's just something. Maybe. No. Okay. Guess something for disabled people, maybe. No, I don't want to call a WhatsApp number, bro. I just want a website. This looks like a very poor town. So I wonder what could it be. Oh, it's 2025 Google, so this is recent too. This is like what it looks like now. What is this? I sell notebooks, bags, speaker. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Sorry. What is over here? Commercial Nevs. Pix? What's Pix, dude? Restaurante. It's literally just called Restaurante. Not even anything special. LG powered fan right there. I would hate to live here, bro. No, I'm actually not gonna look at that. We're just gonna go this direction. It's going so slow, bro. Please speed. I need. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Bro, I don't care about phone numbers. It's only giving phone numbers. It's not giving websites, dude. It could be. You know, it could be in here. I don't know. Honestly, I'm just gonna go Mexico. I don't know. Be right here. It was in Brazil. Oh my gosh. Of course. Next round. It was Portuguese. Some dude playing soccer. So it's probably Brazil again. Got these kids right here. They're all just sitting on the car. Wait, look down. Wait, look at the sun. No, this doesn't have a compass on it, dang it. playground here. It's cool. Good stop. Sigh. Gotta go to bed. Good night, bro. Alright, bro, I'm just gonna end the stream right now. I'm pretty thirsty, I will say. I would like a glass of water. Not a glass, just a bottle. Oh my gosh, there's a dog. I know exactly where it is. It's wait, no, that's reserve. It's right here, right here. Actually, not too far off. Okay, bro, I can't see. Bro, what is this? Is this Mongolia? What is that? Move forward one. No, I can't read it. No. I'll just keep going. Oh wow, they're building something with bricks. It's cool. All these countries seem very poor. We're just in middle of nowhere, bro. It's like a little neighborhood. Barely. Can you even read it? Can you even read what it says? Alright. This... is that like Hebrew or something? I'm guessing maybe Middle East actually. I was about to say like... I was about to say Mongolia, but it could be here. In this little area. Yeah, that's definitely Arabic. That's not Hebrew, I don't think. I might just have to go... Let's go... Jordan. Let's go Jordan. What? Cambodia? That was Arabic. I was so confident that was Arabic, dude. This is like 100% American. No, it's not. It's actually, is that Papua New Guinea? Papua New Guinea won't look like this. It's not like that, will it? I want to be able to afford a city that looks like this. That is... Ooh. That's either Australia or New Zealand. No, well, definitely not there. Maybe Tasmania. East Timor. Where's East Timor? Or Tamar. Where's East Tamar? Somewhere here. Well, that's a brain rot. I don't know. Hampshire. They're still in New Hampshire from this number. Learn today, lead tomorrow. Wow, bro. Wow. Child learning family centric. Okay, now that I know it's actually British and not American, because no one says, like, movie theater, like, no one says it. No one's supposed to like Theatre. They all spell Theater. Wait. Moi Latina. Huh. Or what this could be. Roundabout here, I think. I don't really know my driving stuffings. Stuffings is a crazy thing to say, bro. I will not lie. I'll just keep going straight. Okay, we can't go straight. Let's go this way then. No. Oh no, I don't want to. Okay, well we can't go there, so let's just go this way. So we look. I guess that's just blocked off. I don't have to go Tasmania, but like, definitely not near any mountains. Maybe like here. No, that's a forest reserve. Definitely not in any forest. Maybe here. No, a bunch of these are so many reserves. Maybe like somewhere here. Let's go there. Holy crap. 8 miles away. Oh my gosh. 8 miles away. That is crazy, dude. What? That's insane, bro. Right away, I'm thinking India. But a big blur is suggesting something otherwise. Atul Sweet's the best. Maybe this is Indian. This does look Indie, but it could be Bangladesh, or maybe Nepal or Bhutan. It could be Pakistani, or whatever it's called. No, I think they speak Arabic there. 2023. Only thing I'm understanding, bro. Bunch of people. Maybe this is like a nail salon. Why is there a rat thing there? That scares me. Let's just go for here. This is very crowded. I'm thinking, yeah, most definitely India. Most definitely. But there's a big blur for some reason. I do not know why, but there's a big blur. Yeah, this has got to be Indian though. Maybe Bangladesh, but let's just try to find a flag to confirm. It's India, or not India. Just go back a bunch. Alright. Oh, there's Samsung, that's cool. Oh, that's good, guys. It's a big old truck, I think. But it's like a really big blur, so. Commence this way. Okay, you know what? I don't think there's gonna be any flags here. This is like gotta be India. Like gotta be, bro. Okay, these bricks are just okay, and all these bags. Okay, all okay. This is. Let's just go over here. Etel, not Intel. Itel. Without the end. That's pretty insane. Let's go. Oh my gosh. What is this? What's she pointing to, bro? Bro, this is why I'm never traveling to India. I'm sorry, but like it's so crowded everywhere. Okay, well finally something I can understand. Quality mobiles communication. Best quality mobiles. They're just selling phones right there. DT cable, headphone, earphone, cable, touchscreen, power bank, mobile display maybe, and these same things. Yeah. I wonder if this is Bangladesh or India though. It could be Bangladesh. Yeah, it could be. But like I don't want to go India and then it's Bangladesh and it's just because India is so big. Like I don't want to go like right here and then it's actually like right here in Bangladesh. Definitely Indian or Bangladeshi though. Do not know which though. You know what? Just be safe. I'm gonna go right here. Okay, so it was in India. It was actually pretty close to New Delhi. I did fine, I guess. This is not Sunhat Silliness. It's fine. We did that earlier. We did that 3 out. Sup? Hi, a Golding fan. I'm back. Hello. We were doing it 3 hours ago. If you go right here, look at this. Plenty of Sunhat Silliness here. As you can see, not really doing that now. Why am I searching up the big 25 now? I'm about to end stream. How long have I been streaming for? Like exactly how many? 3 hours and 36 minutes and 36 seconds. Here comes the sun and I say, it's alright. Never let bro sing again, bro. Bro got that hidden talent. Please keep it hidden. Get sponsored with Streamlabs. Yo, what is this? I can get sponsored, bro. Okay, that's pretty cool, I guess. Alright. If anyone's watching the stream right now, say Sunhat Silliness. Gonna give you a solid minute. Minutes and 36 seconds. Just keep it hid. What is this? Let's go with Neiled Up Fun. Because I don't think anyone's here. Internet Road Trip, he had something new, that's cool. Oh, I was, wait, what? Where am I? Okay, I don't know. I was just on Tree View, bro. Yo, let's, never mind, no, I don't think I can say it out loud without getting killed. Just kidding, no, but, if that's not, yeah, draw the Nike logo, it's just that, there, Apple, I know my Apple. It's with a little bite, then a little leaf, then just do a bit of that. Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. He was looking kinda dumb with a finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Amazon. It goes from A to Z, so I think it's like that, right? Yeah. Pepsi logo. It's like that. And then like that, right? And then just like pretend I colored that in. Yeah, that's good enough. Alright, Twitter logo. Just pretended X. Just kidding. I'm not. Just Twitter, not X. So it's like that. Alright, and then it's this. Just color that in. 3C. I do not care. We do not care. Come on. Come on, you're so close. So close. So close. That's pretty good. One sec. Okay, Actually, good night. Actually. I love Actually, bro. Holy crap. Alright. Oh, why is it so bright? Holy, it's just randomly getting really, really bright. Stop, bro. I'm about to gain epilepsy from this crap, bro. Stop. And then it's a black outline. It has a little face on it. I think they removed it. Dude, like, why is it doing this, bro? Stop, bro. Please, speed. I need this. Brightness, contrast. Why does it randomly get so bright? Do you guys see that? I don't like that, dude. It's so bright. Whenever I click on the screen, bro, make it stop. Make it stop. Okay. Alright, wait, I actually think I can do this. Oh my gosh, the screen is getting so bright for no reason. Never mind. Okay, never mind. I hope you guys can. I don't think you guys can see it, bro. The screen is just randomly getting bright whenever I click on it. Bro, why? Anyway, so I got our blue circle. Gotta get some stars. Yeah, some stars. It says NASA, and then it has a little like thing like that. Yeah. Google, okay. I think it's just a G now, right? If you want me to do the whole thing, I'm not doing TS. Yeah, yeah, it's the full thing. Okay, Android logo. It's just like this. Pretty sure it has little eyes too. I'd give them some antennas. And then like that. And like give them that. Just pretend like color that in, and then do like that. Yeah, that was pretty accurate. Or Spotify. Still this. Okay, so the only color available is white, so I'm gonna do it like that. Ignore that. So pretend the full lines are there, and yeah, we're good. Alright. I am going to go to bed and end the stream and take a shower and brush my teeth and do all that. Good night, everyone. Hope you have a great night. You have some sweet dreams. It's literally just me. Okay. Well, see you. I'll probably do another stream tomorrow night.